Hello again, my name is Rodney Reynolds and welcome to another video review. Today I'm looking at the Hyper Type R 480 watt power supply. Included in this package is a user's manual, a power cable, and the power supply. This power supply has a continuous wattage of 480, which is ample power for today's computer systems. Now, how is this wattage determined? Well, to understand that, you need to know what rails are. Rails are basically well-regulated transformers which convert domestic current into the voltages that your computer system can use. And there are essentially two different rails, the 3.3/5 volt rail and the 12 volt rail. In this particular case, the approximate peak output of the 3.3/5 volt rail is 240 watts and the 12 volt is 350 watts, which is essentially how the wattage of this power supply is determined. The 3.3/5 volt rail is responsible for the motherboard, memory, PCI cards, AGP card, and so on, while the 12 volt rail is responsible for the hard drives, DVD, CD-ROM, fans, etc. Also, some might be interested to know the peak amps on each rail. Well, the plus 3.3 volt is 28 amps, and the plus 5 volt is 32 amps. Now, unlike most power supplies that only have one plus 12 volt rail, this unit has two. One is 18 and the other is 16 amps. This power supply has a 120 millimeter fan. The fan is recessed, so you'll have no problem fitting this in any case. Also, there are lots of ventilation holes, which means the inside of the power supply will remain cool. Here's the power cable connection and the on-off switch. This product comes with lots of leads. Some are sleeved and some are not. This is the main 24-pin motherboard lead, a 4-pin motherboard lead, a 6-pin PCI Express video card lead, 2 serial ATA, 8 standard 4-pin multi connectors, and notice that each one of these has an easy grip connector and 2 floppy. Finally, have a listen to the very quiet 120 millimeter fan. This power supply performs very well, has lots of power, even peaks up to 530 watts. It also looks great, has a very quiet 120 millimeter fan, lots of ventilation holes. That means the inside of the power supply is going to stay cool. It has plenty of leads, although I would have liked to have seen all of them sleeved, and it's affordable. An excellent mix for a product like this. Overall, this is a kick-ass product. Again, my name is Rodney Reynolds. This has been another video review. Be sure to check back very soon. I will have a brand new one for you then. Also, pop into my website at www.3dgameman.com. And while you're there, you can go into the forums and register. And remember, registration is completely free. Also, keep in mind, you can find out a lot more on this product in the forums. And as a final note, if you love watching my video reviews, please remember to help support 3dgameman.com. If you wish to support, you can go to support3gm.com. Until next time, take care.